Hey everyone, welcome back to another deep dive. Today we're going to be talking about something that I know a lot of you are excited about, Black Friday. We're going to be diving into some of the hottest Black Friday deals on Amazon, specifically focusing on gadgets that have a 50% or more discount. Are you ready to upgrade your life with some amazing tech at a fraction of the cost?
It's the perfect time to treat yourself or maybe get a head start on that holiday shopping list.
Right. I mean, who doesn't love a good deal? So let's jump right in. First up, fitness.
Gotta stay in shape.
We found 3 awesome deals that are going to help you supercharge your workouts. First, we've got the Fit Simplify Resistance Loop exercise bands.
These are great.
They're over 50% off and perfect for adding resistance to your workouts, whether you're at home, at the gym, or even traveling.
I love that they're so versatile. You can target different muscle groups, adjust the intensity based on which band you choose, and they take up practically no space.
Exactly. And speaking of space saving, our next deal is on a home gym essential. The Sunny Health and Fitness Total Body 2-in-1 stepper machine.
Oh, this one's cool.
It's over 50% off. And it combines a stepper and a resistance band system. So you get a full body workout in one compact machine.
It's a really fantastic option for people who want to get their cardio in without having to dedicate a ton of space to a big treadmill or elliptical.
Totally. Now, after all that exercise,
Yeah.
you're going to need some recovery. And that's where our next Black Friday find comes in. The Trigger Point Performance Therapy Grid Vibe plus vibrating foam roller, over 50% off.
Your muscles will thank you for this one.
Seriously, this foam roller is amazing.
What I love about it is the vibration technology. It helps to increase blood flow, loosen up those tight muscles post-workout. Plus, it just feels really good.
All right, so we've tackled fitness. Now let's move on to some amazing household helpers that are also over 50% off for Black Friday. For all you outdoor enthusiasts out there, we've got the Coleman Sundome camping tent with Rainfly.
A classic for a reason.
It's easy to set up
Durable.
and can withstand the elements.
It's really a great example of a product that blends practicality with affordability. You don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy a weekend getaway in nature.
Totally agree. And for those of us who prefer to stay indoors, we've got a gadget that will make your life so much easier. The Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, over 50% off for Black Friday.
Game changer.
This little guy vacuums and mops your floors, all while navigating around furniture and obstacles.
Who doesn't love coming home to clean floors without having to lift a finger?
Right. It's like having a little robot butler taking care of your chores.
I'd say that's a pretty good deal. All right, let's move into the kitchen now. We've got some awesome deals on gadgets that will step up your cooking game. Like this coffee lover's dream. The Technivorm Macamaster 53941 KBGV Select Coffee Maker, over 50% off.
This is not your average coffee maker. This thing is known for its precision brewing, and it makes a seriously delicious cup of coffee every time. So if you're serious about your morning caffeine fix, this is the Black Friday deal for you.
It's one of those things where investing in quality really does make a difference, especially when you can get it at such a steep discount.
Okay, next up, we've got a kitchen staple that's perfect for busy weeknights. The Crock-Pot 7 Quart Oval Manual Flow Cooker, also over 50% off.
You can't go wrong with a classic crock pot.
It's simple, reliable, and you can just throw in your ingredients and let it do its thing.
Perfect for those days when you don't have a lot of time to cook.
And to make meal prep even easier, we've got the Full Star Vegetable Chopper, over 50% off for Black Friday.
This is a lifesaver.
It chops veggies so quickly for salads, stir fries, or anything else you need.
Much safer than using a knife to chop everything by hand.
All right, let's shift gears a bit and talk about tech, the stuff that keeps us connected and entertained. For all the fitness enthusiasts out there, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is over 50% off for Black Friday. This is more than just a stylish smartwatch. It's packed with fitness tracking features, health insights. You can even make mobile payments with it.
Wearable tech is getting so advanced. It's really incredible what these devices can do now.
Okay, up next, we've got a must-have for any home office, or really any busy family, the Canon G7D20 all-in-one wireless printer, over 50% off for Black Friday.
That's a steal.
This print does it all: printing, copying, scanning, even faxing. And it features the MegaTank system, so you'll save a ton on ink refills.
That's huge if you print a lot.
Now, if you're serious about robot vacuums, we've got 2 incredible options for you, both over 50% off for Black Friday. First up is the Dream L10's Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo.
Oh, wow.
This thing is a beast. It has amazing suction power, smart navigation, and it even empties itself.
So you literally don't have to do anything.
And if you want to take it to the next level, We've got the Dream L20 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, also over 50% off.
What's the difference between this one and the L10s?
This one has even more advanced technology, like AI obstacle avoidance, and a Mop Extend feature for even deeper cleaning.
That's pretty impressive.
It's like having your own personal cleaning crew.
And at that price, it's hard to resist.
Okay, next we have something special. The 10.1 Wi-Fi Digital Picture Frame. It's over 50% off for Black Friday.
Ooh, I love these.
You can easily display all your favorite photos, and you can even share them with loved ones remotely.
It's such a thoughtful gift idea.
Now for the gamers out there, EA Sports FC 25 for PS5 is over 50% off for Black Friday. This game has stunning graphics, really immersive gameplay, and the AI is so smart.
So it's a challenge for even experienced players.
Exactly, it's like you're right there on the field.
And for that price, it's a great time to pick it up.
And finally, to get us in the holiday spirit, we've got the Disney Advent Calendar 2024 by ZURU Mini Brands. Over 50% off for Black Friday.
Oh, those are fun.
It's filled with adorable little Disney surprises, perfect for kids and collectors.
I know a few people who would love that.
So there you have it, a whole bunch of incredible Black Friday deals on Amazon, all at 50% off or more. We covered everything from fitness to household gadgets, kitchen must-haves, tech essentials, gaming, even a little something to get you ready for the holidays.
It's been amazing seeing all the cool tech that's out there, and at these prices, it's the perfect time to upgrade.
Definitely. And don't forget to check out our YouTube channel, Tech Gadgets Finder, for in-depth reviews of all the gadgets we talked about today. We'll have a special Black Friday playlist with all the deals.
You can find the link to that playlist in the description below.
And while you're there, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up.
We really appreciate your support.
We love hearing from you guys. So leave a comment below and let us know which Black Friday deal you're most excited about.
What gadget is at the top of your wish list?
Happy shopping, everyone.